Nobody, and we mean nobody, enjoys sipping on a smoothie only to hit a surprise chunk of spinach or frozen fruit. Smoothies are the real deal, and a low-quality blender shouldn't discourage you from making them. Now, a premium blender can tackle any ingredient without faltering. But there are also specialized models that suit individual styles, like special features for frozen smoothies or little extra bits for easier maintenance. We have the best options for all preferences. Just make sure to use our links because they will take you to the latest discount for every product we talk about. Let's go! Number 6. Nutribullet Ultra. Fantastic value. We're getting this one started with the Nutribullet Ultra. We're just amazed by the value this thing delivers. It has a 1200-watt motor and it handles ice and frozen fruit like a beast. Many single-serve blenders average around 600 to 900 watts, but the Ultra's enhanced power creates consistently smooth results in less time. This model operates with a quieter hum too, and that will minimize the usual sharp noise associated with blenders. It's way less disruptive for everyday use, that's all we can say. The compact size here is another plus, of course, because it takes up minimal counter space. It's very good for smaller kitchens or those preferring a clean, uncluttered setup. The Glow interface offers simplicity. Automated smoothie mode works flawlessly for perfect blends, while the manual pulse feature gives full control for more creative recipes or custom textures. The intuitive design offers both precision and ease. The Triton Renew cups are durable and eco-friendly. They're made from partially recycled materials that resist shattering while remaining lightweight. They're also dishwasher compatible, which saves time for busy mornings or after-meal cleanups. The Rapid Extractor blade, made with stainless steel and a titanium coating, processes tough ingredients swiftly and lasts longer than standard components, offering better performance with every blend. These details combine all the right stuff in one fairly priced package. For the listed price tag, this one is unbeatable. Number 5. Chefman Obliterator. Best for frozen fruit. Frozen smoothies are amazing, but you need a special blender to tackle them. A special blender like the Chefman Obliterator. At 1380 watts, the motor crushes ice with ease. Many blenders in its price range struggle with frozen ingredients, but the Obliterator handles them with precision. The advanced airflow system keeps the motor cool even during demanding blending sessions, all while keeping noise levels lower than expected. The 48-ounce Triton jar offers ample space to create smoothies for family or friends. This material resists shattering, a key advantage when handling ingredients like frozen fruit or ice, and it gives users confidence with its durability. It safely accommodates hot liquids when handled carefully. That's extra versatility for soups or other recipes. A convenient auto-blend function adjusts settings automatically based on the ingredients. With 5 speed options and a pulse feature, the Obliterator puts control in the user's hands. Whether blending frozen berries to a smooth texture or maintaining small chunks in a shake, the options cater to all preferences. The included 20-ounce travel jar makes it simple to take freshly blended smoothies out the door, perfect for busy mornings or gym sessions. Cleaning doesn't feel like a chore with this model. The Clean preset quickly rinses the jar, or users can load parts in the dishwasher for an effortlessly clean kitchen. The blunt blade design adds safety without compromising performance. For all you frozen smoothie fanatics, this is the one. Number 4. Vitamix Propel Series 750. Very easy maintenance. Blenders can be notoriously hard to clean. If you hate the tricky cleaning process as much as we do, the Vitamix Propel Series 750 should be at the top of your list. The self-clean feature here allows the blender to cleanse itself in 60 seconds with warm water and dish soap. This avoids the hassle of scrubbing by hand or dealing with difficult parts. Many other blenders require more effort, which often leads to frustration. The BPA-free Eastman Triton container blends durability with smart design. It handles frozen fruits and hot soups without damage and fits neatly under standard kitchen cabinets. This makes it convenient for frequent use even in kitchens with limited space. Stainless steel blades offer long-term dependability. They handle tough tasks like frozen desserts or nut butters without losing their edge. Instead of requiring frequent replacements like typical blades, these last for years while maintaining performance. This blender balances convenience with power. Its 1380-watt motor processes challenging ingredients efficiently, outperforming many average models that struggle with similar tasks. A variable speed knob gives flexibility, allowing you to control the texture of your final result. The pulse feature adds even more precision for achieving just the right consistency. By making maintenance effortless and combining that with reliable strength, the Vitamix Propel Series 750 fulfills the needs of busy households. It suits both meal prep enthusiasts and those looking to save time while still achieving excellent results. This blender truly helps you spend less time dealing with upkeep and more time enjoying your creations. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Number 3. Breville the Fresh and Furious Versatile Operation. If your smoothies range from basic orange smoothies to complex mixes of nuts and frozen foods, the Breville Fresh and Furious has your back. With 9 preset programs and 5 speed levels, this thing adapts easily to a range of everyday kitchen needs. Unlike the average blender that may feel limiting, this model offers a tailored way to create smooth drinks, frozen desserts, or crushed ice for any occasion. One of its defining features is the hemisphere blade system. This design allows it to handle tasks that usually require multiple appliances. Its blades chop ingredients with precision and deliver consistent textures, which is perfect for delicate recipes like creamy soups. Many standard blenders struggle to achieve this kind of smoothness, but the Fresh and Furious excels where others fall short. Now, we should say that the blender also works with the Vac Q. That would be an optional accessory. It removes air from the jug before blending to bring richer flavors and smoother finishes, avoiding the frothy or uneven textures common in traditional blenders. Though the Vac Q is sold separately, the added value it brings sets this model apart from its competitors. Built with durable stainless steel blades and a design focused on quieter performance, it offers long-lasting reliability without disrupting your kitchen environment. While some blenders prioritize power at the cost of noise, this balance of efficiency and reduced sound or shared makes it an excellent fit for family spaces or shared living areas, or whichever room you see fit. We love it, highly recommend it. Number 2. Ninja BL770 Best for full kitchen operation. Up next, the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System sets the bar high for full kitchen operation. At the heart of this machine is its 1500-watt motor base. This is more than enough power to tackle frozen fruit or dense dough, or just about anything you want. We should also mention the 72-ounce total crushing pitcher that has the capacity to pulverize ice to snow-like results that rival professional blenders. Whether it's silky frozen drinks or creamy smoothies, you won't find the motor straining. It easily outpaces lesser 1000-watt systems. For those handling food prep tasks, the 8-cup processor bowl shines. The chopping blade creates balanced, even cuts in vegetables, while the dough blade handles up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. We're talking pizza nights made simpler without worrying about uneven mixing or hard work by hand, which you might experience with smaller or older stand mixers. Customization is another highlight of this system. With 4 powered functions – blend, mix, crush, and single serve – you're covered whether prepping full family meals or quick shakes. 2 16-ounce Ninja cups allow on-the-go usage and provide a simpler way to create single portions of nutrient-heavy drinks. Ease of use doesn't stop at the tasks. Cleanup is hassle-free with dishwasher-safe BPA-free parts. Everything fits neatly together too, which avoids unnecessary clutter in the kitchen. Compared to lower-watt alternatives or single-function blenders, the Ninja BL770 delivers versatility that truly makes it feel like an upgrade for home kitchens. Nice one. Number 1. Vitamix Ascent X4 Best Overall. And now, the time has come for all you lovely folks to meet the Ascent X4, the clear winner for today. At the heart of its design is the 48-ounce container, which works well for someone whipping up a single smoothie or serving a group. Its unique shape pulls ingredients toward the blades, and this delivers results that surpass average blenders by a mile. For those tired of chunks in their drinks, this feature is a godsend. In plain terms, it creates smoother textures and does so faster and more efficiently than pretty much all competitors. Another high-end feature that's included in the mix here is called the variable speed control. This feature adds a level of precision not seen in many blenders. Adjusting the speed to match what you're blending is so easy, and it doesn't matter if it's a thick almond butter or a smooth juice. This control can feel empowering, especially compared to blenders that struggle with consistency. The Vitamix Ascent X4 goes beyond beverages because it has the ability to create hot soups right in the container. The friction heat from the blades can turn fresh ingredients into steaming soup in about 6 minutes. Most competitors out there simply can't achieve this without additional appliances. We know we're talking about smoothies, but it's great to have such a range of versatility. It's not like you're never going to make soups, right? For frozen desserts like sorbets or ice cream, the Vitamix delivers results in seconds. By processing frozen fruit or other ingredients with ease, it eliminates the hassle often associated with dessert prep. This blender even grinds coffee beans or nuts, expanding its use far beyond a traditional kitchen tool. Cleanup feels effortless with the self-cleaning function. Add warm water and a bit of soap and the blender is ready for the next job in under a minute. No extra scrubbing required. You guys wanted the best? Well, this is the one. That would be all for today, guys. We hope this helped. And if it did, how about liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Have a good one and keep it valid.